Hello, my dear children. Welcome to my English class. Today, let us do revision. Dear students, let us revise chapter number 11, use of this, these, that, those. I hope you all know when to use this, when to use these, and when to use that, and when to use those. Now children, let us revise it once again. For that, all of you please read with me. This, this, is used for objects that are near to us in singular sense, and these is the plural form of this. So now children, let us read and understand. First of all of you please see this picture. What we can see here? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, you are right. It's a hat. It's a picture of a hat. Now children, count and tell me how many hats you can see. One or many? Again you are right. Here we can see only one hat. One hat. So when we use this? Near one thing. When we see something near which is only one in number. When we see something near which is only one in number. See, it's near. This finger is pointing near. So the answer will be this. That time we will use this. So near one thing means this. So all of you read the sentence with me. This is a hat. This is a hat. Now children, have a look. Here how many hats you can see? One or more than one means many. Yes, here we can see 1, 2, 3 hats. 3 hats means more than one. 3 means more than one. So many. So near many things. Near many things. What we use, children? We will use THESE, these. When we will see near many things, that time we will use THESE, these. So near one thing means this, we will use this, and near many things we will use these, THESE, these. So these are hats. Now let us read the next. Here we can see near only one thing. So this is a balloon. This is a balloon. And here we can see many balloons. Near many balloons. So we will say these are balloons. These are balloons. This is a balloon. These are balloons. Now let us read the next. See, what is this, children? Yes, it's rabbit. It's rabbit. See, it's so cute, right? Now, children, what can you see here? Is it near? Is the rabbit near or far? Yes, it's near. Near how many? One or many? One. So near one thing means what we will use? We will use this. THIS, this. So read the sentence with me, children. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. And now children, how many rabbits you can see? One or many? More than one means many. 1, 2, 3. Many. Near many things. It's pointing near. Near many things. Near many things means these are rabbits. These are rabbits. THEAC, these are rabbits. Now Let us read this. All of you please read the heading with me. That is used for objects that are far to us in singular sense, and those is the plural form of that. So that is used for objects that are far. When we use that when the object is far from us. When the object is far and the object should be only one. That time only we will use that. But when the object is far but the objects are many, we can see many objects. Far, many objects. We will use those, THOSE, those. Okay. That we will use when there is only one object which is far from us. That time we will use that. But when the objects are far from us but many, more than one object, if you can see, that time we will use those. So here we can see the apple is far from this finger, right? So it's far away, one thing, far, one thing. So what we will use? We will use that. That is an apple. Now children, look at this picture. Here we can see 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. 3 means more than one, means many. And it's pointing far. It's pointing far. So here we will use those. Those are apples. Those are apples. Okay. Next. Here we can see one egg which is far. So what we will use, children? Yes, we will use that. So that is an egg. And here we can see 1, 2, 3 eggs, means more than one. So we will use those, THOSE. Here print is not there. So we will use THOSE, those. THOSE, those. Those, THOSE, those are eggs. Far away, many things. We will use THOSE, those. Now let us see the next picture. Here we can see only one boat which is far. So what we will use? We will use that. That is a boat. So children, we use that when some object, only one object is far from us. That time we will use that. And when many objects are far from us, we will use those. Okay. So here we will use that is a boat. And next, what you can see? Here we can see many boats. And it's far. It's showing far. So we will use those. Those are boats. Those are boats. Now children, let us do the exercise of this chapter. So children, take out page number 26 and let us do the exercise. Children, read the heading with me. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks by using this, these, that, those. So what we have to do? We have to see the picture and then we have to fill up the gaps. So children, what can we see? Is this lion near or far? It's near. And how many? One. So near, one thing. What we use? Yes, you are right. We use this. So here you will write this. When you will write this, write T in capital letter because it's a sentence. You should always start a sentence with capital letter. Okay. So here you will write this in capital letter. Next, number 2. Here we can see only one thing. We can see only one thing which is far from. Which is far. So what we will use? Far away one thing. What we use? Yes, you are right. We will use that. So here we will write that. So I have done this first 1, 2 for you. The next 3, you will do it by yourself. It's very easy. You have to just write this, these, that or those. By writing those words, you have to fill up the gaps. So it's your revision part. I will request you all to do it by yourself. Okay.